Do you ever feel nervous speaking English in real-life situations? Today, I'll teach you the exact phrases you need at the supermarket. Simple, natural, and easy to use. Hi everyone, welcome back to Maria's English. In this lesson, we're going to practice real-life English at the supermarket, asking for items, understanding prices, and speaking confidently with staff. Let's get started. Okay. First topic is useful vocabulary. Here are the most common supermarket words you will find useful. Repeat after me. Basket, trolley, aisle, shelf, checkout, cashier, receipt, price, cost, discount, offer, fresh, frozen, dairy, bakery, produce. Let's practice some examples. Could you show me where the dairy aisle is, please? Can I have a receipt, please? Can you tell me the price of the item, please? Our next topic is asking for items. Use these phrases when you can't find something. Repeat after me. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? Excuse me, do you have any bread left? Excuse me, is this the right aisle for the coffee? Excuse me, I'm looking for the bakery section. Excuse me, do you have a milk left? Let's move on to our next topic. Understanding prices. Money phrases you'll hear. Repeat after me. How much is this? Is this on sale? Do you have a cheaper one? Can I pay by card? Cash or card? Is this on offer? Okay, let's look at our next topic. At the checkout. Common phrases at the till. Repeat after me. The cashier could ask you, "Do you need a bag?" You could answer, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you." The cashier could ask you, "Do you have a loyalty card?" You could answer, "No, I don't," or "Yes, I have it here." The cashier could ask you, "Would you like a receipt?" You could answer, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you." Let's practice these next phases together. You could ask, "Excuse me, where can I find the eggs?" And the staff may answer, "Aisle 3 on the left." You would say, "Thank you." You could ask, "How much is this?" The cashier may answer, £2.50. You could ask, "Can I pay by card?" The cashier may answer, "Yes, you can." Here are some tips for real-life confidence. Speak slowly. Use simple phrases. Point if needed. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice the same phrases every time you shop. Download the worksheet in the comments to practice supermarket vocabulary and dialogues. Then continue to Lesson 6, English for Work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.